Hi, my name is Esme Dixon. I'm 16 years old and I attend Olathe East High School, and my preferred voice part is alto 1 and alto 2, and I will be singing Perfect by Pink and When We Were Young by Adele. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home, you're like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment before I go? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you look like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old. It made us restless. You look like the movies, you sound like a song. Made a wrong turn once or twice, dug my way out, blood and fire. Bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to my silly life. Mistreated, misplaced, misunderstood, no way, it's all good. It didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty please, if you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect to me. Dum dum da dum 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 da dum dum da dum dum. Ooh, ooh, oh, girl, that don't need ya. Run away, run away, run away, run away. Oh, run. Let me think. What should I do? Whoa, oh, 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 Ooh, oh, I love you so, that's what you say. And tell me, baby, please don't go away. And when we play, I'll never say, girl, that I'll need ya. Run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run. Ooh, let me think. What should I do? Whoa, oh, 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. 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 I'm auditioning for Soundproof because I love music. I love what it can do for us. I love the connections and friendships it builds. I love that it brings generations together. And I just love how it makes us feel. I went to the Soundproof concert a few days ago, and the energy and the joy in the room was palpable, and it was just so contagious. And I thought, I want to be a part of that. I want to be a part of making people feel that way. And so I know that if I were a part of the group, I would just grow as a musician and a person, but I also know I would contribute to the overall sound and the positivity and the energy for the group. And I'm so excited that I get to be considered. Thank you.